Storytime from home.
Hi, I'm Miss Barratt from the Oregon City Public Library, and today I'll be reading a story called The Sound of Kwanzaa by Dimitrea Tokunbo. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Loving words and greeting family, we stand together for Umoja. Umoja means unity. One black candle gently shines to welcome our first Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Working hands and ancient stories, we learn our traditions for Kujichagulia. Kujichagulia means self-determination. One red candle gently flickers to honor our second Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Banging hammers and sweeping brooms, we share the chores for Ujima. Ujima means collective work and responsibility. One green candle gently shimmers to lighten our third Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Laughing shoppers and chanting merchants, we support our neighborhoods for Ujamaa. Ujamaa means cooperative economics. Another red candle gently twinkles to brighten our fourth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Sharing dreams and setting goals, we plan our future for Nia. Nia means purpose. Another green candle gently glows to illuminate our fifth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Beating drums and singing voices, we perform for Kuumba. Kuumba means creativity. Another red candle gently burns to warm our sixth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Thankful prayers and loud harambes, we celebrate our lives for Imani. Imani means faith. The last green candle gently sparkles to bless our seventh Kwanzaa night. Harambe, harambe, harambe. The end.